Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing out if Face Secrets Nude Artist Pencil Lip Liner is actually black girl approved. So there's a lot of beautiful colors here. I was super excited when I got this, but I was kind of worried that they might be too pale and not show up. I don't know if they had a black girl in the room. So today we're going to be putting them to the test and I'll let you know which ones are black girl approved and which ones aren't. This video is also really great for anyone with sensitive skin, sensitive lips. I have always had really sensitive lips. I've even done modeling at shoots for brands where they put lip gloss on me, and sometimes in my experience as someone with sensitive skin, I've noticed that lip glosses can really break me out. So we're also going to be putting to the test if this is sensitive girl friendly. I got these set of 5 lip liners. I thought they were so cute. As you can see, these colors are really beautiful. They go from warm browns to different pinky nudish, reddish nude. But my question is, are they black girl friendly? And I want to believe these colors will work for me so bad, but I'm not sure. If I was pale, I know these would work and these would be super cute. So let's see if they're showing up. I'm gonna start with the color Taupe Rosy. Let's see if she's showing up on the back of my hand. Okay, she's showing up. I mean, a little bit. She's showing up, okay. Okay, yeah, I don't know if they had a black girl in the room when they invented this. I actually feel like Taupe Rosy is erasing what lips I did have. Like they're gone. I don't have big lips, but I have more lips than this. So if I was looking for like a minimizing lip liner, then yeah, you know, this could be something. I've never wanted to minimize my lips before though. Okay, this is the final look. I have no top lip. I'm gonna say Taupe Rosy did not pass the black girl test. Sorry, girl. All right, next color. I actually have hope for this one. This one is called Warm Nude. Now this looks pretty red to me, so I feel like she should show up, right? Let's see. Okay, she passed the swatch. Oh, she passed the lip test. I do not want my top lip disappearing again. Oh, okay, I see her. Black girl approved, I see her. I'm actually really excited right now. Okay, I have a top lip. This color actually really goes with the blush color. I believe the blush's color is Finest Hour. I feel like this matches really well. Okay, honestly, me personally, I still feel like I need some brown to go with this. I feel like it's a bit one-dimensional, so it's probably something that I would mix with a different color, but I feel like a nice, beautiful, like bold, deep red lipstick over this would be, it's giving me in my Bond era, like my Bond girl era. Very pretty, natural. I feel like Tower 28 is really giving you, but better. All their makeup isn't giving, oh my god, she has like a cake face. It's giving you. Warm Nude is black girl approved. I like this one actually. Okay. Let's try the next one. Okay, so the next color is gonna be called Pink Brown. Love a good pink, love a good brown. I'm open and hopeful that this could be cute. She showed up. Oh my god. Okay. She showed up, but like just barely. Like she showed up like 2 minutes to midnight. She showed up, the party's about to be over, but I saw her. She showed up. Definitely giving very natural. Okay, actually, she's stunning in person. I just looked in the mirror. She's stunning in person. She's stunning in person. Wait, I feel like she's making me want to go out on the town. Like, yeah. Don't play with her. Actually, okay. Tower 28, honestly, like when you sent me these and I saw them out in the box, they looked a little pale, they looked a little pasty. I didn't give them a try for honestly way too long and I was asleep on the girls. These are 2 hot contenders for my final look. Pink Brown is black girl approved. Okay, so next we're gonna be trying Rosy Nude. I'm nervous. I don't know if she's gonna be black girl approved. Let's start with a swatch. Oh, she broke a little bit. Okay, she definitely showed up more than the first one. Okay, she's there. Let's try her out. This is definitely more pink than I would go, I'll say that. This is almost giving like Nicki Minaj, Roman Reloaded era, very pink. Probably a bit a bit too pink for me. I'm feeling a bit clowny. Yeah, no. I'm looking in the mirror. I look like whoever chose this color hates me. Like literally, they don't want me in the mix. They want me to not be invited again. But I'm pressing them together. Like, okay. I feel like it's just my lips are gorgeous and giving. My lips are kind of saving them, but is this a color that I would wear on its own? No. I would definitely pair this with a nice dark brown so I can get a bit of contrast between my lips and the skin. It's giving me a little bit of the disappearing top lip again. It's giving me, is she okay? What's going on in her world? Early 2000s. So this one, is it black girl approved? I think it could be. Is it baby girl approved? No, I'm not wearing this as a standalone. This is definitely gonna be something that I would pair with a much darker, more contrasting lip liner. So I just feel like I don't wanna have a case of the disappearing lip, because yeah, that's what it's giving. So the next color is Mauve Nude. I feel like these are so close. Maybe the set could be paired with just like a really dark nude so that it could work for darker and deeper skin tones. Let's start with the swatch. So that's Mauve Nude. She's there, barely, but she's there. But let's see how she looks on. Okay, first impression. In real life, I like it. First impression on camera, I feel like I'm having another case of the disappearing top lip. Okay. Come in. Mom, so what do you think about this color on me? This is called Mauve Nude. Come over here.
Skin girl.
We gotta move up.
Girl. Best thing in all the world.
Okay, what do you think about this color? Just the lip liner.
Oh, I think it's gorgeous. It's like a soft pink.
Okay.
That works with your caramel skin.
Is it black girl approved?
It's very black girl approved.
Okay, I wasn't sure.
It's like caramel brown skin girl approved.
Caramel brown skin girl approved.
Yes.
Now that it's had a minute to settle, I definitely think she's approved. Okay, let's do the last one. The color is called Candy. Candy looks very pale. It's like the closest thing I could think to beige for somebody's lips. I actually only had one color that was completely not black girl approved. I'm a little scared of Candy, but let's start with a swatch. Oh! Oh no! Okay, whew. So this is for the frost loving girls. I think maybe this could be a frosty serve. So before I judge, because I'm scared right now, we're gonna give Candy a taste. Oh, we're gonna give Candy a taste. All right, Candy, let's see. Okay, so first things first, I'm feeling like an old school Nollywood auntie. Like this is old school Nollywood auntie. This is the lip liner they were using. It's like, why is it turning my lips white? You're gonna keep going. Kim Kardashian, early 2000s, she used to do a frosty lip. I think it can serve, but she's gonna need brown lip liner for sure. I have questions. I look like, remember those early 2000s ads for Got Milk? Anyways. I'm looking at it in person. I'm looking,
It's a bit ashy.
It's a bit ashy. I feel like there is baddies who could freak this. I think I could freak this, but I can't freak it by itself. So I'm gonna go get a brown pencil and see if something can be. Okay, I'm back. Still looking ashy in the lips, but I have a brown pencil and I have Tower 28's lip gloss. As a girl with sensitive lips, this lip gloss is literally my life. Almost every single lip gloss breaks me out. Let me fix this before I continue to tell my life story. And then I'm gonna go over this because once again, this is too dry. So we're gonna use the Tower 28 lip gloss. We're gonna put this on top, maybe bring back some warmth, some life. I don't know, I feel like now this it's giving video vixen, 90s video vixen. It's still, in my opinion, a bit light. I think there's a skin tone that this can work for, so I'm gonna give it like a 50%. I don't know if it's something that I'm gonna crack out that often unless I really wanna do like a super frosty look. I mean, with the right lip gloss, I would say you can do a really cute frosty moment with this, so I wouldn't count her out. It's half Black Girl approved. Half Black Girl approved. So that means that there are 5 from this collection. This is the Artist Pencil Shape and Sculpt Lip Liner in Nude. I would say 5 of them are Black Girl friendly. I would say 3 are fully Black Girl approved by me, and I would say 2 are moderately approved. With a little effort, you can definitely turn it into something really, really cute. 5 out of 6. So these are colors. I'm really having fun with this video. I'm just like, I've been doing makeup for like probably more than 10 years. Way more than 10 years. I've been doing makeup literally since I was 13. I didn't realize how much fun I would have like just yapping away about it. So if you're here, thank you so much for listening. I love you. Follow for more if you like beauty for sensitive skin.